Be a peak performer. The students of class 8 in Miss Mani's class enjoyed zero period the most. She was a great storyteller. She always shared something from a book to help them learn new things. Today, she shared something from the book titled Peak Performers, a book published in America in 1986. She said to the students, "Dear students, today I would like to share something from the book Peak Performers, in which the author Charles Garfield makes a study of the lives of some modern American heroes." Miss Mani explained to the students that the author writes that if one has a great mission, he can become a hero. Listening to this, Tina, a student of the class, asked,
"Ma'am, what is a mission?"
"A mission is a special task given to a person or a group of people that aims to achieve a higher goal or help humanity at large." Miss Mani explained to the children the importance of having a mission. I will explain the importance of a mission by giving you the example of the moon mission, in which America sent its first manned spacecraft to land on the moon in 1967. The launching of the rocket had been the result of the combined efforts of a large number of experts and ordinary people. Miss Mani explained how the mission motivated the team of experts. She said, "One member of this team, a computer programmer, said that something extraordinary began to happen as the work got underway. Thousands of ordinary men and women who had been working to make the space program successful had all of a sudden been transformed into peak performers. They started performing with efficiency that they had never been able to muster before. Within the short period of 18 months, all of the work had been accomplished with exceptional rapidity." Miss Mani explained that the mission made ordinary people perform extraordinary deeds. In the book, the computer programmer said that one day the manager asked him, "Do you want to know why we are doing so well?" Pointing to the pale moon, the manager said, "People have been dreaming about going there for thousands of years, and we are going to do it." Miss Mani explained to the children that a great mission inspires a human being to achieve extraordinary things. It arouses a man's hidden potential and makes him capable of all manner of sacrifices. Then, with determination and patience, one becomes a peak performer. The students were inspired by the story. Tina, sitting at her desk, thought to herself,
What should be the mission of my life that can bring out my hidden potential and make me a peak performer?
She decided that it should be doing well in studies. She decided that she would dedicate herself to studying.
I will dedicate myself to doing well in studies.
Tina dedicated herself to the mission with single-minded determination. She promised to do her best.